So last year we introduced the Cheer District Training app into our program, and we've seen some of our athletes grow leaps and bounds when using it consistently. One thing that I really appreciate is the fact that it focuses on the injury prevention side of building strength in our athletes.
I use Cheer District as a coach to communicate with parents ways that athletes are able to continue to build skills outside of cheer practice. Knowing that Dr. Scott has put together such a strong program that focuses specifically on conditioning and building strength for cheerleaders, I'm so confident saying to parents and suggesting the girls to go home and work on this app so that when they come back to practice or tumbling, that they're going to be stronger.
The differences I've seen in athletes have been incredible. For example, I have one athlete who I've been working level 3 skills, and we've been touching on lots of technique before quarantine, and then of course COVID hit, and I recommended to her mom to mainly focus on Cheer District while she wasn't in the gym, and the day she returned, it was pretty incredible. She actually came and we did all her level 3 skills. She was landing all her tucks confidently, and we just grew from there.